All right, boys. Trade recap today. Yesterday I did not take a trade. I posted that in the Discord. Last Friday I did take a trade, but it was an L. I posted the loss size in the Discord as well. It was like almost a $500 L. Um, didn't end up posting a trade recap just because I was like so fucking hungover. Honestly, shouldn't have been trading that day. Um, I was too fucked up from the fucking night before. Shout out fucking Pat Deals. That shit was fucking lit. But two L's today. But I did take a lot of scalps on NQ, not MNQ. I had to reload this because that's why it looks fucked because it's showing everything from today and yesterday. But I took a lot of scalps on NQ today. Just scalping the 1 minute, these 1 minute fair value gaps, these rejections. Literally entering off the rejection and just catching the move up. Um, but yeah, the L today, honestly not a great day to trade. I was long bias, but my bias changed once MNQ started dumping towards this 4 hour low. So I was like, alright, bet, like, we're going to be bearish again. Um, and plus, we're bearish on the 4 hour. But the reason why I was bullish is we have like tons and tons of highs, which I'm pretty sure are going to get hit today. Like, we literally just have tons of liquidity up here. Like, it's insane how many highs we got. And as you can see, we're ripping up towards them. But that's fine. Next time, definitely just going to stick to my bias. Especially when we're barcoding like this, there's no point in me switching my bias when we're barcoding and not trending like we are now. But the loss today, we're barcoding, boom, boom, boom. I saw us kind of break down, scale down to the 1 minute. Saw this fair value gap be made when we gap down. At the same time, MNQ was gapping down here. So I was like, alright, bet. Entered off of this candle here. Put my stop loss above all these highs. I originally had it on these highs, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna extend it in case they want to sweep this. But either way, got fucked. Literally just ripped up. As you can see, this fucking wick right here stopped me out. And then I was like, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna look for another trade. And then I saw another 1 minute inversion after all these sweeps. So I was like, bet. I'm gonna enter off of that again. Chopped around for a bit and then ended up coming into profit and then getting stopped out. Here I should have went to break even here. You know, it's fucking whatever. There was like two $500 L's on these. Not great for the account at all, but I was able to scalp it back on NQ. Honestly, might start scalping to build the account. Just because I'm better at scalping whenever I need to build the account. So we're pretty low right now on the account. We're not sitting great, just because our major loss limit is 0. So like if these accounts go to 0, like we lose all of them. So I'll definitely just have to stick to trading the micros, and then only using $250. I tried to up the risk to 500 to build the account, but haven't been winning trades, and you can't be losing with this sort of account balance and then increasing your risk. It's just not good. What would I have liked to take today other than this? If I stuck to my long bias, would have been this. Break a structure right here. Let me delete all this. What I would have liked to trade or to take today, wait for this, break a structure. Boom. We also swept out this low and then took out everything else below it on the smaller time frames here. Boom, sweep. And then what are we waiting for the sweep? Could have entered off of this fair value gap, this order block, and then just target literally all this shit, bro. Like, I would have targeted these highs right here, these daily highs. That would have been nice. I think it would have been like a 1 to 10 risk to reward, depending on where you entered. But yeah, boys. definitely just got to start sticking to bias, de-risking again, and maybe taking some scalps uh, to grow the account and build the account, and then just being able to take payout again, because that's obviously the goal with these fundeds. Since we're trading on, simulation, none of these profits are actually mine until I build it up, and then after like 5 days of winning, I can pull out profit. So that's obviously the point of these accounts, is to actually make money, not just to trade simulated profits, because you can do that in demo. But yeah, boys, I'll be on tomorrow. Let's see what kind of news we got. We also have FOMC meeting minutes. That can affect something, that might have affected this chop, just so we can have a PM session move later today. But yeah, boys, tomorrow we got unemployment claims at 7:30. That should do something. But it's an hour before market opens, so that should be all right. And then we have like these two yellow folders, which shouldn't do much. And then Friday we got PMI. So not bad for the rest of the week. We have decent news. So yeah, boys, we'll see if we can start winning again. Take some scalps, de-risk, stick to bias. That's the goals for the rest of the week here, boys. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.